Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Pouring with Sarah, who is a fluid figurative specialist, or that's what I love to call myself. Anyway, today I'll be using recycled paints, which is this pink, which is not really pink actually, it's a bit coral pink. Yep, that's the right color, coral pink. And then I'm just going to recreate one of my old time specials, which is a bird soaring from the ocean, and let's see how this would turn out to be. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. And if you would love to follow my works, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button for a new update from me. I'm slower at posting stuff on YouTube than I am in Instagram because I'm way more active in Instagram because it's way much easier. So if you can follow me on Instagram, which is at sarahso underscore art, SARAHSOH, which is the same as this account, just that there is an underscore. And yeah, you get to see all my latest works there. So thank you for your time and attention, and let's get pouring. Here I've prepared this very nice dark pink. So I'm just going to pour this at the base, but then I ran out of paint, so I made a new batch, which is a different tone, but still nevertheless, it'll be fine. So they're very bubbly, as you can see, because I didn't have time to mix it well. I'm already recording, and that is why there are a lot of air bubbles in the paints. If you all had been following me through all this journey, you'll know that I love and welcome all these tiny bubbles because I find that you can do a lot of things with it, and it makes the paintings really unique. So that is why most of the time I just leave it or I'll just torch it out. But either way, I love them all. I love all the tiny cell bubbles. Now here, this is the new paint that I got from Pebble. It is the iridescent turquoise, if I'm not mistaken. You can't really see here, but it's really shiny. So I'm just gonna add some here. I know I love to add contrasting colors or complementary colors to my work, and it's not, how to say, it's a really no-no in paintings actually, but I love to do something different and try something different, and that is why I try to add, you know, I try to complicate life basically, and complicate my paintings basically. So I mean, if I don't experiment for you, who will, right? So that is why I'm using all these complementary colors, especially that purple and yellow together. I don't know, but I did it. I'm just gonna blow it out and see if it will turn out well. So here I did not add any white to the yellow, and that is why I've got to be really careful. Otherwise, yeah, the yellow might turn out really ugly. So as I said, we'll see, right? We'll see. If I don't experiment it for you, who will? So, yep. Now, there, you see, when the purple and yellow mix, especially this is mustard yellow, they don't really mix really well. So that's the problem here. Yep. Okay, so let's try the top part instead. Okay, the purple and this iridescent turquoise looks really nice together. And as you can see, my mustard yellow paint is really old, so there are a lot of lumps inside it. I didn't know. If I knew it earlier, obviously would not pour it out, but there are a lot of lumps, so I might need to get rid of it, obviously. So yeah. Okay. Well, I don't think I need to explain any much further. This is all the stuff that I've explained like 1,000 times throughout all my videos. If you want to see how I did this, you can always refer to the painting that I did, which was sold. It's the same concept. I'll put a link down at the description area so that you can see which video I'm talking about. I hope you guys sit back and enjoy this process, and I'll see you guys again at the end of the video as usual. So enjoy! Okay, I just have to chime in here and there a little bit. For this part, I tried to add wings so that to hopefully, you know, tone down the yellow, but obviously it's not working. So let's see what I'm gonna do with it. You know, sometimes when you make mistakes, it's better to just scrape it off and admit it. But I didn't want to give up this painting, and so I kept going. So there are a lot of pins stuck in between that blue and turquoise there, and that is why I tried to blow down all the yellow and see. As you can see, this yellow is very lumpy, and so it creates a really dirty color to this look. So I'll try to reduce this color if I can. But for now, let's try to salvage it, right? I mean, most of us artists, this is what we try to do, salvage. Especially for a pour. You can't touch it up with a brush, so, I mean, you can, but that's not what I was aiming for. I mean, I'm a fully figurative artist, not, you know, a dry artist, and that is why, yep, I'm trying to do this when it's still wet. Better. What do you think? Do you think it's too much better? I think we still have work to do on the left part of the wing, so let's take one step at a time. Okay, I can't stand this part, the left side, so I'm just going to try to blow everything out. The yellow here just do not work at all. Oh, so right, I'm just gonna blow everything out. Can you see it's really lumpy? So this is not working out well. So instead of scraping it out, I'm just going to blow it out and stretch it as much as I could. I ran out of paint to blow, so I'm just gonna put another layer of turquoise and the violet, prism violet, so that we have paints to blow them out again. And then I'm gonna add gold this time and not normal mustard yellow. Well, once bitten, twice shy, right? So don't forget to torch it first. And then, yeah, I'm just going to add more turquoise here. I think it's turquoise, yep. Because too much yellow, and I'm gonna add some more prism violet here too. Okay, so blow everything out. Oh yeah, now this looks gorgeous. It looks like a fairy sky. Oh, I'm sorry. I just found out that the video of the parts being blown on the left side is gone. I must have misedited. So anyway, I mixed a new color, which is some magenta, and I'm gonna add turquoise there. Pour some pink, coral pink again, because this is just too Sally, if there's such a word, Sally. So I really don't like it. So I'm just going to redo it again. So there we go. just blur everything out. I think this is way much better. Okay. Yep, this is definitely way much better, doesn't it? Do you think so too? Alright, just gonna pour more paints here to get rid of that yellow completely. Okay. When you're always pouring and manipulating the paints to form shape of a figurative, you gotta be really careful, because if you form the wrong shape, then it doesn't look anything like what you're trying to portray. So always take care of the composition of your pours. And how do you do that? Through many practices. So this is probably this is like my 100 over pour, figurative pour that I did. I lost count, and probably that's why I have better control. So if you want better control, you know what to do. Just practice and you'll be perfect at it too. Okay, so I'm just going to touch out a little bit of this part too, because there's just too much mustard yellow there. Okay, now we know. I mean, we've always known, it's just that I was being very stubborn about the color. I never put purple and mustard yellow together, unless you're painting it with using a brush and not just pouring it. Alright, so look at that gorgeous turquoise. When this dry, the turquoise is going to pop out really beautifully. Okay, let's just mix this downward. Okay. Alright, as I said, be very careful. We need to maintain the shape of the bird. Okay. As usual, the last step, to not forget to touch all the tiny self bubbles, because there are a lot, especially in the mustard yellow and the background colors. So look at this iridescent turquoise. Some parts looks blue, some parts looks turquoise and greenish. So this is actually very nice. So I love the final outcome, and I'll just wait for it to dry. Look at this mixture of colors, beautiful, isn't it? You probably may not be able to tell because it's still wet, but visit my Instagram at sarahso_art, and then you get to see the dry version. It's amazing. It's worth your time. So thank you all for tuning in, and see you guys again. Bye.